Hey guys, old school customized rods here. Well, I had to go and drop off some stickers for my buddy. Check out these bad boys. Cool. Hopefully when I start my website, I'll start putting these stickers out there so people can buy them. Yeah, I went to go to the Corners and Coffee, and right now I just stopped by the restaurant and get some tacos for my wife and myself. But either way, we'll see what kind of hot rods they have out there at the Corners and Coffee. And since it's Sunday, we do this every other Sunday. So we'll see you guys out there. Laters. Hey guys, Rod's here. Well, we just got here at the Corners and Coffee, and it's pretty packed. And check out some hot rods. That's my boy's Cutlass. My other buddy Daniel and his daughter's Volkswagen. And Raj, oh, Chevy 2 Nova in the house. Right next to Daniel's Chevy 2 Nova. Another buddy here, Big John, in his truck. Body.
Yeah, I got like 7 different. Nah, man, it's nice. Did you get that far from here or not really? Oh, okay.
Big block here. My girl eating. She hungry. New generation Mustang, cool. Spare body, like the wheels on this spare body, cool. New generation Dodge. I believe it's a Challenger. Right next to the old school Dodge Charger. Okay guys, I just got here, so we'll see how many hot rods show up. You guys a bit. Whole game.
That's all you're recommending for the Mustang?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm so confident.
Here. Hey guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. We're at the car meet. My girl's been going with me, which is cool, awesome, right, Rick?
Yeah.
And I think this was the second time we took the Chevy 2 Nova. Of course, now that you see it, it's primary gray. It's not patina anymore. I guess I wasn't feeding it. And it is what it is. My girl says that I guess I'm too picky, or I'm never happy with one thing. Except for her, though. I want to get in trouble, right, Vic?
Right.
But either way, we'll see what the next car meet looks like. More hot rods that hang out there, and I'm pretty stoked about it. We'll see, you know. I'm going to end up filling that whole place up. I really am. So we'll see what the next video looks like. Thanks, I appreciate you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to HOTROD, go ahead and subscribe, like, share it with everybody. Share with their grandma, everybody. And you know what? Let them know who HOTROD is. And like I always say, keep on hot rodding. See you guys in the next one. Haters.